Guys, welcome back. So today's mission is we're going to be fixing the nature school. A few weeks ago, we milled some wood up at a friend's house in Shaver. So I'll show you that first. And then after that, we'll get straight to work. We're gonna be tearing up the old floor, adding some supports, adding the new posts, putting down new floor, nailing it down, and then painting it. And then we'll be ready to go for our first day of nature school. And we're gonna give you a sneak peek of that. So I hope you enjoy. Just cruising around on the logs, huh? What a cool log. That's beautiful. All right. Well, welcome to nature school. Main reason why we're doing this today is if you look at that, that's a 6x6 cedar and it's got a little bit of a bow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put those posts I showed you that we milled, that are basically the same size, but we're gonna put them right here. There, same with the other side, and so it'll push it up considerably. But I gotta take out both of these. Last time I screwed these on, so this time I nailed them on. It should be a lot easier. A little harder than I expect. Okay, I think this thing's ready to come out. Oh, nice thing about this wood is we can reuse it for kids to build stuff. They love building all sorts of random stuff. Basically, what we do is free build. They draw what they want on the piece of plywood, and I cut it out with a jigsaw. They sand it, paint it, whatever they want. Definitely been a hit. Go that way.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. Then you make the cut. Mm. 15 3/8. Big boys. There you go. Oh my gosh. I just need to put the plywood back down. And we'll be good. Paint it. Whew, sweet. Ready for another year. The nature school is all finished. Today's our first day back. It's 90 degrees, super hot, but we're gonna have a blast.
This is the Science and Nature School.
Yeah, what does it say?
Wild Oak Nature School.
We'll follow you.
We have a new sign that my mom made.
What does it say?
Nature Classroom. This is where they put their lunches. And this is where you put all your water bottles.
Okay, Charlotte, what's over here?
This is my mom's table where their herbs and plants go. There is things that mush stuff, and there's a nest that somebody left here. This side is my dad's stuff, where he makes And kids makes too. These are the strings, these are the sandpaper, and this is stronger string. All the water, when it rains, goes up there, in there, and then all the way, and then it goes way in there. That thing, that little white thing is, and then pours into that bucket. Our art table where we color. These are the paint brushes where we paint with. This is our fire pit right there.
When it's not too hot, we'll help the kids make a fire here and we'll cook a snack. It's so fun watching kids learn how to make a fire. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ventress, one of our many chickens. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye.